Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today it is Sunday the 23rd of April. I don't know if you can hear the birds singing, but they're chirping away. It's just starting to rain a little bit. So I'll take you, show the front. Now it's been weeded. I'm not bothering to do down the right hand side here because I'm going to put some agricultural fleece down with some botchmies on top, all the way down to the gate down there. So yeah, the lawn's looking a lot neater. Still need to edge the edges, which I do every spring. But as you can see, hollyhock's looking really nice. Starting to get some flower buds on it already. Next to the lilies there. Then we have perennial geraniums here. Bit of bang. It's driving out sticky buds, driving absolutely potty, this stuff. It gets everywhere. Just get that pulled out. Just keep on top of it, like so. Pulling down with these are the daylilies here. Nice big strong plants. I've got 1, 2, 3 big lots here. Then we come a bit further down. Beautiful loop in here. It's going to look absolutely amazing. There's the flower stems in the bottom there. A bit further down, my primulas, which smell divine. Next to that we have some foxgloves, which I love. The bees absolutely gone mad over them. A little bit further around here, some more primulas, and then we have some more lilies. These are suffering with lily beetle damage. Don't know if you can just see that. It's terrible. So I'll get that sprayed. Another foxglove there. Next to that we have a carnation, a white one, even though they're called pinks. A bit further along, another loop in there, which is great. Another perennial geranium. This pink is one of my favourite colours with the geraniums. And then we have some Japanese anemones, they're doing really well. A hosta down there, nice clump. Nice clump there, really good for ground cover hostas, keep the weeds down. Then we have a beautiful peony here. The smell on this is divine. I've got a tight into that, put a cane in that side, and that'll keep it nice and tight. The daffodils are just about gone over now. They come down, aqualegia there, self-seeded. They look absolutely amazing. Need to get the hoe just on this little bit here. I weeded this once, but just once I get a good weed at the beginning of the year, I just go around them with the hoe, just keep on top of things, just keep chopping the heads off, and they die back brilliantly. With the hosta there, aqualegia, forget-me-nots, which I absolutely love. Here's one of the delphiniums that I've grown from seed, which I'm so proud of. It has a beautiful electric blue colour, absolutely amazing. And then, forget-me-nots, some more hostas. Big peony at the back there, old-fashioned variety. This is one of the new ones, and that is going to look absolutely stunning. Then, a couple of hollyhocks that are self-seeded. Then my ivy, which I absolutely love, which I think the bird must have dropped off the seeds in the poo. It's growing up here. And then I have my clematis, which is, I've not had to tie this in this year. It's got a good grip on there, and it is doing really, really well. Really pleased with it. Just get the leaf, and just, if you put them round one of the ivies, they'll bend round it and hold on, which is great. Come down here, we have bluebells at the back there. I don't know if you can just see those come through. There we have them, some down there, which I love. And at the front here, oriental poppies, white and a black eye to it, which is absolutely amazing. Diane Joyce, I've named this one. They've grown this one from seed. Then some daylilies there. We come down, a beautiful wave of forget-me-nots. Some more lilies there in the middle. Beautiful aqualegia at the back. And then this absolutely amazing hollyhock, which is going to be epic this year. We come down, some more aqualegias. As I can see, I've got all the big dandelions out and stuff like that. All I'm going to do with that is just keep holding it. I'm going to put some verbena in there, which look amazing. Tulips are just about finished. And there we have the bleeding heart. Down here, some Icelandic poppies, I think that's the name of them. perennial, they come back every year, absolutely amazing. Another peony, which I'm going to have to stake. And then if you come down here, this was all full of weeds. Delphinium, go from seed, I think that's white, and I think that one's white there. And then another loop in here with an epic flower head on it there. Dicentra bleeding hearts. Some more Dutch iris here, which I need to dig up because I've got a lot of dandelions in the middle there. I can't get to them. We're going to get rid of half of those. And then primulas, aqualegias here. And then another loop in there. Going to be great. Some more irises. Some more lilies. Look at the lily beetle damage here. Absolutely terrible. And then we come around here. I always get the name of this. I've had this years. Always forget it. And then we have the first penstemon grown from seed last year. Beautiful red colour on this. Penstemons don't like things to be too close to them, so I always like to clear a space around a penstemon. Respond really well to that. Just want to show you the pots that need weeding and planting up. I'm going to do this one with some sweet peas, the frame. Come down here. I actually lost my, driving me absolutely nuts, I've lost my little hand trowel, hand fork, so I haven't done this bit here a couple of weeks or so. I've ordered one on Amazon, it should be here tomorrow. Then we have a beautiful delphinium here, which is great. Look at the climbers here. This is a beautiful aqualegia. Looks absolutely amazing. See what's down under there, nothing. Some more. Just have a look from here. I do love the garden when it's been weeded, the grass has been cut. Give it a really good feed. I feed it every time I feed the borders. I also spray some on, because I use a sprayer, a Miracle Grow. I also spray some on the lawn. Keeps it really nice and green. Some more Icelandic poppies there. Forget-me-nots. We come up here, we have all my pots here. This is a pot grown peony. And then we have all my agapanthus that I'm going to pot up the next few days. I'm going to go through all these pots, get rid of all the weeds, put a couple of inches of top dressing on, new compost, and plant all these I've grown from seed down here. I'm going to plant them into these large black pots. Just see the difference there. So yeah, and there's this little birch tree that's in one of my planters there. I'm going to plant that up against the fence in the back garden, tie it in. I love silver birch. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse or garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.